Okay, I am live. Okay. I'm just gonna send a message in the Discord. Get my promotion out there. And who all is here? Hello, hello. Yeah. So, can everyone hear me? Or, okay, I'm gonna assume that's a yes. Assume that's a yes. Okay, well, let's get to coding. I guess. Ooh, I just want to make sure that, I just want to make sure I'm actually live right now. Okay. Hey, everybody. And I'm just going to start off with some light coding. So right now what I'm doing is I need to get data, right? And the data I need for my model. Let me explain my project, actually, to you guys. Oh, can you guys not hear me? Is that the problem? Hold up. Or is this better? Is this better? Yes, no, maybe? Hello to Hank, Masterblade, Aviation Butter, y'all, hello. Thank you for being in the stream. Actually, it means quite a bit. Hold up. I'm still getting all this set up. I do not, like, understand how to... Window and whiteboard. Okay, so basically what I plan to do is, this is my project. So this is going to be my next video too. So let's say we have a few artists, right? Like musical artists. The model is going to get a bunch of data, or the program is going to get a bunch of data of their singing, okay? And then it's going to pass it to our TensorFlow model that we're going to create, right? And it's going to start training, and it's going to be able to detect an artist's voice. I don't know if this visual makes any sense, but basically that's what is going to happen, right? So right now we're still collecting data, and the problem with collecting data is all of the data has to be the same, right? So I've actually collected quite a lot of the data, right? The only problem is that it all has to be normalized, because the tensors need to be the same type, right? So let me show you guys what I have right now. So if I switch my window to... Okay, here I am. So basically, here is all my audio, and we've turned it into WAV files. I've just gotten 4 songs. But the problem with songs is every single song is, different in length, right? So we need to make it all the same length. I'm thinking something like 2 minutes, right? And I also want to try to get rid of background noise, though I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to do that. So, oh, we're stuck in a loop. So let's select window and let's get back to our code. Okay, are we all here? Oh, no, this isn't great. Okay, cool. So now let's just get to coding. So here I've gotten my audio. Now all I have to do is I want to normalize my audio right here. So now what we want to do is actually, how am I gonna cut? First, I need to make sure that the audio is the same length. So I actually need to put an if statement right here. Right about here, I believe. Right before I download it, what I want to do is I want to, what's the name? right before I want to have an if statement, right, to make sure that it's at least 2 minutes of length before I download it, right? So before I even do any of this, or what I could do is I could download it, then make sure, and then delete it if it's not, which seems a little more sane. But the problem is I do not know how to, we got a ping. Okay, sorry about that. Put the mic. Oh. I'm on mute. I'm on mute. Sorry. Sorry about that. Can everybody hear me okay? I'm really sorry that I'm... Yeah, I know. No. I'm reading chat. I'm reading chat, guys. I am. Guys, sorry. You know what? I'm just gonna have this just right here. You know, I once saw this video where Twitch streamers were like, I have multiple monitors because I need it when streaming, and I was like, who needs multiple monitors for just a basic Twitch stream? Now I kind of understand this. Let's select window and let's get some Mozilla Firefox. Okay, cool. So what we want to do is we want to say how to normalize audio. Actually, so how to normalize, or no, how to check how long an MP4 file is seconds. And okay, so duration of a video in Python, right? Because that's what we want. We need to check to make sure. Okay, yeah, we could use OpenCV. Is there any way I don't have to do it, get another module in? Cause I don't want to. Yeah, I think. Okay. This doesn't seem like a bad idea. This seems like actually a very good idea. So, oh, I see what this is doing. This is gonna use a terminal command, I believe. Yeah, that's interesting. I'm just gonna copy this for one time, and then I'm gonna edit it to make sure we're here. Give me 1 second. Is my camera quality just terrible? Hello. Wait. Apparently I'm very, very quiet. Okay, this is really a sad stream. I do not know how to, what is it? Work with audio. Okay, let's go back and let's try this solution out. So what it should be, oh, I should not do that. So I'm gonna go back to OBS. Let's try this out. So basically what I think it's doing is it's oh, wrong one. What it's doing is it's making sure that how long it is just based on the it's using a terminal command. Sorry, what am I saying? Okay, so let's actually do that. So we're gonna say def check audio length. And what I think it's doing is it's doing a what I'm curious about is if I can simply, yeah, what I'm gonna first try is I'm gonna first just simply try to write this command. So, and now I'm gonna put my file name as what are my files? Okay, that's not helpful at all, actually. Okay, this is bad. Is it better now? Can y'all hear me a little better now? Hello, yellow. Warning, the current bitrate is lower. Can you guys see me okay? Like, cause apparently the bitrate isn't great, so it's all good. We'll work on it. Okay. Okay. So what's weird is we aren't actually like this. So what I'm gonna do instead of doing this method is I'm simply just gonna use os.system, and I'm just gonna use a terminal command because that should be good enough. And I am gonna make my audio a little louder. Oh wait, yeah. This should be better, a lot better. Yeah, let's actually check to see an actual terminal command, okay? So whiteboard. So what we're gonna do is terminal command to see how long a wave file is Python. Okay, yeah, this is interesting. Okay, FFmpeg. I love FFmpeg. Audio file. Does it? If it has to be audio file, that's gonna be a little unfortunate, won't it? Probe. But you know what? We'll still be able to make it work. I'm gonna try implementing the solution, and then we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna make sure that y'all can hear me. Okay, you can see me. Okay. Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, let's go back to our command line and let's try this out. So, what's our file name? Our audio file. I'm just gonna use the first file that we already have. And by the way, if you guys just popped in, all we're doing here is I'm manipulating audio files right now, and I'm making sure that they're the length we need to manipulate them for data in TensorFlow. And I didn't get an output. That's interesting. Okay, this is really weird. Okay, I'm hearing about this thing called FFM probe. So I may try that. Where did my... So I need the... yeah, I think I'm gonna go to FFM probe, because I think that will allow me, because what my basic plan is, I just need to put the command inside of the FFM probe. Okay, cool. I got it. And actually, I'm not gonna say to dev null, which basically what that does is it hides the output. Right now, I want the output. Hold up. Oh, you know what I think I need to do? I think I need the file path. Yeah. That's the problem. So, copy location. Great. That's it. That's excellent. Okay. Okay, that's amazing. It's perfect, actually. And just to make sure, when I do -2 dev null, cool. This is literally perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to make a variable command equals, and I'm gonna make an f string, and then I'm just gonna insert our file name right here, full file path, and then I also need to get the full file path. Yep, there we are. Close some tabs because I feel like that is making my stream lag just a tad. Okay, so command is not accessed. Calm down. os.system command. And then, oh, we need to get the output, right? We can't just run the command. Running the command won't do anything. Oh god. Okay, how do we get the output of os.system? Get output of os.system. I'm sorry I'm not sharing my searches, but assign os.system to a variable. os.popin.read. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool, actually. So it's basically os.system, except it does that. So now what we'll do is we'll do it to the command, and we'll say seconds equals this, and then we'll divide seconds by, so if, so honestly, all I need to return is a boolean, because all I care about is if it's above 2 minutes or below 2 minutes. So I'll say if seconds, what's 60 times 2 is 120. So if seconds is greater than or equal to 120, then I'm gonna return true, else return false. So okay, oh right, I need to convert this to a string, an integer. How do we, you just do int, right? Or no, I need to say float, because it's, well, then it'll round it. I don't see a problem in rounding. But I do want to make sure it's exact and, you know, it's not bad. And for 1 second, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so now we have our check audio length. So what we're gonna do here is we are gonna make sure that it is, isn't os.system bad? Is os.system bad? Is that true? Is that a thing? Okay, that's quite sad. I did not know that os.system was bad, so... Oh, are you supposed to use, what's its name? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna search it up. Is os.system bad? Let's search it up. Is it bad to use os.system? Huh. Okay, maybe it's bad. I'm not sure. Yeah, I just searched it up, and like it's like a whole debate, and people are like, "Oh, hi there, hello," and people are like debating about it and like crying about it. So I'm gonna use it for now. If I run into any issues or if someone can change my mind, then I will change my ways. But you could also use sub process, which I think might be better, so I might convert to that. But I want to get the basic. I don't know what's wrong with OS system. I now I'm hearing that it might be. I'm not sure, guys. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to check to make sure right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say self convert. So actually, why don't I do this in the convert wave thing? So do you? Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say. If check audio length, and then I'm gonna put in my audio file, so input file equals false, equals yeah, false. So if it's not above 2 minutes, then what I'll do is I'll say return, not return yet. What I want to do is I want to delete that file. So I'm going to do os.remove. I really like the OS library. It's very nice. Because this one it's because the sub process module is better for shell commands. Is that so? Okay, well, I learned something today. Then I'll start using the subprocess module, if it truly is better. But, why is it better? Why is it better? Do you guys know that? Because, I mean, it's always nice to know why something is better, right? Okay, cool. So, what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna remove the input file, and then if it's over 2 minutes, I am going to also return false. Else, I want to return true, right? This, oh, check audio length is not defined. Oh, shoot, I need to yank this, hold up. So I need to move this up, do I not? Paste that. Hold up, guys, calm down, I know my indentation is off. And then I'm gonna just delete this. Cool. Oh no. Oh no. That's a problem. Okay. Oops. I think I just made a big mistake. I think a lot of my code just got deleted. But I'll be fine because of one thing. And that is that. Oh. Okay, I didn't delete a lot of my code, thankfully. Yank that and then I'm gonna put this right here. Paste that. Perfect. Delete this. And I'm just gonna check chat really quickly. Oh, barely hear you, barely hear you. I am very sorry. Does this make it better? But I'm not using Chrome, guys. I'm using OBS. Okay, wait, guys. I'm working on it. Hold up. Okay, is this better? No, it doesn't seem so. Is this better? Is this... Okay, wait, hold up. This better? This better. Hold up. I don't know which... I'm bad at my mic. Hello. You know what? I'll just talk louder. You know, I can't be bothered. I'll just talk louder. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. Imagine watching a stream without sound. It could never be me. Okay, guys. Does this sound any better? Does this sound better, guys? Hello. No. Damn. Okay, oh, I shouldn't say that. It's on stream. Is this any better? Does this make it worse? Does this make it... Oh, wait, this makes it way worse. What about this? Okay, yeah, I think this is a little better. Should be. Does my gain make it more? Hello? Okay, I think this is better. I think this is much better. Discord, check Discord. I will check Discord. Hello, is this better? Can I get a chat response if this is better? Okay, thank you, Master Blaster. Thank you. I've never had an issue with this mic before. Crank your like this much. My OBS volume is completely up. That's the weird part. It's fully up. Wait. Let me look at the properties of my mic. I have a few, like, you know what? I'm gonna switch mics, and it's gonna sound a little worse, probably. Oh, wait, no, this is way better. Okay, I'm not gonna change it. I'm not gonna change it at all. Great. Okay, let's go back to the code, then. Okay. So what I was saying was... What's my chat? Okay, cool. So what I'm saying is... What we need to do is we need to check to make sure that... So, if... God dang. If... Oh, wait. I can't use this because it's Python. And people get mad at me if I don't use nice Python. Oh, I need to call it using self. I'm stupid. Yep. And then... I also need to put in the new file. God. and then I'm gonna say if this equals false, then we're gonna do os.remove new file, and we're also gonna return false, right? So now if this happens, now we'll know that it was what's odd? What's odd? Is there something that's odd? I gotta stop some people from the Discord chat from doing some stuff, but okay. Let's go back. So os.remove. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure. So I'm gonna say if self.convert wave new file. Oh, and then I also need to say else return true. And I don't even need to say else because it had already returned. So actually, all I need to do is I just need to return true right here. See, now I don't have to write that line. That's a W in my book. Oh. Now what I want to do is I'm going to say counter minus equals. So basically, it's like negating this effect, right? Because I'm adding the counter each time, and basically every time the counter is added, that means another file was added, right? So I'm just negating that, so that next time it's gonna be able to download a file. And I am seeing some. Okay. What am I making? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that I haven't even explained what I'm making. Okay. Let me pull up. Let me actually pull up a new window and a whiteboard. There's this one site for all of you guys here. This is gonna like make you guys the happiest people ever. There's this one site. It's called whiteboard.com, but without the H. And it is genuinely like the best site ever. I do all my whiteboard stuff on here, and I have a real whiteboard. Like, I have a physical whiteboard. But I love this site so much. The only problem is I can't draw, but if I could, this would be amazing. Anyways, basically what I'm doing is I'm creating an AI. That term is, whenever I say that term, I cringe, because like I always think of like a sleazy car salesman that's saying, I'm gonna sell you AI powered tech or some stuff. I don't know. I'm sorry. Anyways, basically what I'm creating is I'm making an AI that takes data, right? So we're taking data of artists singing, so that it can detect what artist is singing when you, what is it, like, you know, when you like put your phone to the and I'm probably gonna turn this into a website, but yeah, that's basically what I'm creating, if that makes sense. It's basically detecting artists based on their voice, right? I'm bad at explaining this. Usually I have like a nice script to help me, but right now I don't. Is anyone here right now? Hello. Oh yeah, no, we have 4 viewers. We're chilling. We have 4 whole viewers. Okay, let's go back. And let's make sure this works, and that now, and what I'm gonna do is so let's make sure this works. But what I want to do is I want to take a channel that exclusively makes. So actually, there's an error right here. What the problem is what if an artist only makes music that's below 2 minutes? Honestly, though, that's quite rare, and I'll cross that bridge if I get to it. But let's run this for now, and let's make sure. And Python audio.py. Okay. os.stat path. When did I say stat? os.stat. Which line is this? Line 19. If os.path exists, parent path equals false. Path should be a string. Is it not a string? You know what? Oh, I see what might be the problem. Print. Oh, it's none. It's none. That's what the problem is. It's none because it's parent dir. Because this is an environment variable that I set in a different file. Actually set that in my main.py file. Okay. We're still getting that error. Oh, because I didn't save. Okay. What is wrong with it? What? Why is it getting mad? I literally... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna print parent path really quickly. Let's do some debugging, guys. None. I would love to use that if Google didn't make it already. Yeah, Google did make it, but I mean, it's just kind of fun to like, actually, no, Google didn't make it already. I want to challenge that point of view really quickly because Google made where it detects the audio and detects the actual song, right? Mine is just detecting the artist, so mine is actually worse than Google's. No, but Google's I think works a little differently from mine. I believe Google just has like a huge bank of like songs or something and just like searches through a bunch of songs, whereas mine is like learning the artist, right? So what's interesting is, since it will always give you an output based on confidence, is you could like sing yourself and you could see what artist you sound the most like, which is a cool feature that I think is nice. And yeah, I have checked my environment name. Oh wait, parent. Yeah, it's okay. Wait, let me check my main.py. So parent dir os.get. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna run main.py. Python main. Okay. So now they're gonna do this whole thing. Okay, but main.py calls this.py. I would. Okay, cool. Right? So that's cool. It works when I do this. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna yank this one part and I'm gonna replace this. Paste. But I didn't change anything. That's what I find really weird and concerning. Oh wait, audio.py. And it's still being annoying. Wait, can you only call environment variables from that file? I think you can call it through the whole, wait, maybe. Hold up. Can you call environment variables from other files? I think I have to set up a whole environment. I think that's on me. Yeah. I think I need to, I don't think I set up an environment correctly. I think that's on me. Okay, this is quite annoying actually, but, how long have we been streaming? That's interesting. Okay. Oh, it's 1:30 already. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, actually, this is really interesting. The fact that the environment variable is only, but to be fair, I'm never going to be calling this from, yeah, to be fair, I'm never going to be calling this from itself. It's always going to be being called from main.py. But, like, it's also, like, I kind of want to make sure that I know, I have a good understanding of environment variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call it from my main.py file for now. But that means that I have to delete all my current audio data, right? Because if I don't, then it's gonna, because it checks to make sure you have all the audio data. Why would it reinstall it? So actually, so I'm gonna go back to audio, delete. Okay. That, I don't know, it's really satisfying to delete things, but it like, unless like, you know, I don't know. Let's go back to our code. I do like our code quite a lot. So I'm gonna, why am I so hunched over? I need to straighten my back and start like coding like this. Okay, so I'm gonna say Python main.py. Would I like this to be, because it checks what direct, so wait, basically how my main.py file works is it checks where we are right now, and it says, would you like the contents of this program to be stored here, right? And then let's say you're like, no, I'm sad that it downloaded here. I would like it downloaded somewhere else. Then it'll check, and then it'll ask you where you want it to be located, and it'll download the data there. Now for me, this is perfect, so I'm just going to say Y. And now it will do its thing. Now it's downloading all the data, right? You can see it just created that audio folder again. It's going to take a little bit of time to download all of the data. And in the meantime, I want to delete my print statement because... And then afterward, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go to audio.py. Okay, but while we're doing this, I think it's time to work on some comments because I have no comments on some of this. So let's make sure our audio length is over 2 minutes. Command use command to check audio length. And then I'm gonna just say check if audio is above 120 seconds or over 2 minutes. And then now what I'm going to say right here is I'm going to say, now let's make sure, make sure audio is over 2 minutes. And then right here I'm going to say, if audio is not more than 2 minutes, then, is it than or is it then? I think it's then. 2 minutes. Remove the file and return false to let the program get okay, and we're still collecting data. That just shows you how long this is taking. Though we have Kendrick Lamar, we have Travis Scott. Okay, now it's collecting data for Justin Bieber. I know he's a favorite. So okay, it's than. Wait, are you guys? No, cause it's if audio is not more. Oh, than. Yeah, you're right. I'm really bad at grammar. Than 2 minutes. Okay, cool. And we can see that, so Justin Bieber's almost done. It's getting that last file. Then is for I eat my, right, because it's in continuation. Thank you for that. Yeah, no, I really need to work on my grammar. I feel like what I do is I write really detailed comments, so hopefully that should, I feel like my comments sometimes are unnecessary, but I also really like having detailed comments because if I ever go back to my code... Wait, my fault. Wait, no, I wrote... Okay, yeah, no, I think you're right. You're fine. So now let's edit some more comments. Now, what I'm sad about is the fact that this environment variable is not for the full folder, and I'm only able to access it from one file. Hold up. Let me actually search that up. Only able to access environment variable from one file. Oh, okay. And sorry, I don't know. In the Discord server, I feel like I'm being clowned for my quality. Guys, I'm on my dad's webcam. Can I catch a break for the quality? On my webcam, can I? Okay. I feel like I mean, I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna stream often, but like I'll stream occasionally, so I might get a better webcam. I might get like a Brio, like a Logitech Brio, but like those are expensive, you know, so I don't know. So, okay. Let's go back. Unable to access. Okay, cool. Wait, this is so weird. Oh no, export and local. This is weird. Oh, I'm not actually being attacked for the webcam. It's their fault. I like to hear that. Are we okay. So see, the thing is, I think it's because I'm on Linux, and hold up, I'll show you guys what I'm experiencing here. So, like, they're saying, oh, you have to do these settings and stuff, but then isn't that like part of the problem if I literally can't, like, because, like, let's say a user downloads this, right? Will they have to edit this in their settings? That feels a little annoying, doesn't it? So what I'm thinking is we just forego the environment variable and simply just like write it to a text file or something, right? All I need is a global way so that all files can access this variable. And it's a text variable. It's super simple. It's just the file path, right? So let's check what the okay, so y'all are this. Okay, so global way to access variables to files. Yeah, how do I share between C files? I mean, extern. Can you do that in Python? Let's see if you can do that. Extern in Python. See, I must say one thing. This is why I like Java, right? Like, Java's simple when it comes to these. Like, Java can do everything, right? I am unfortunately gonna have to abandon you since I was in a reading. Okay, that's fine. I might honestly dip myself in a little bit, right? So the stream might end in a little bit anyways. Thank you guys so much for being on, but it's not done yet. I'm just saying, like, in a bit I might. How can I use external food? Oh no. Wait. You can... Oh, that's interesting. You can simply import... That means... Wait, can you do... What I might do... Wait, if you can do that... That's pretty cool, actually. What I might... Yeah, if that's possible, that's quite cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna... Parent dir. So what I'm gonna first do is I'm gonna create a new variable. So I'm just gonna say parent directory path equals os.path. And you guys might see that I'm using os a lot, and I actually want to explain that really quickly. The reason I'm using os so much is because Stack Overflow is based. Yeah. Okay, wait. I don't like the Java hate. I don't like the Java hate at all. I think this is very wrong. Okay, the Java hate is not valid. Like I feel like Java haters are a little, what is it? Like, Java does everything nicely, rigidly. Java's easy. Java's fun. Java's happy. I feel happy when I code in Java. You know, I don't like this. What do you mean by wait you didn't know? What does that mean? I'm not sure what that means. But, Stack Overflow is based. Yeah, I feel like, okay, we all use Stack Overflow. Like, I don't really care if you guys know that I don't, that I run into problems sometimes. That I feel like that's normal. So, yeah. But, yeah, basically... What's interesting is I did not know I could just, like, no, but you can't do that unless it's, oh, because if I use if name equals main, you can't do that. But if I don't do that, then it's gonna run the whole program again, which I don't need, right? And actually, I just realized I should probably rename my file. Hold up, give me 1 second. Let's go back to artist voice. Oh, why did I name it that? I feel like it's just the fact that you said you had no comments on some of them. Meanwhile, there's a bazillion comments already there. That was from my Discord server. Okay, well, Kotlin is supreme. Oh God, but like, you're not only using Java to develop Android apps. Like, it's not. You can still import variables, even if you do. Okay, wait. You know what? I want to try this out. This is interesting. os.path.join. Oh shoot. I need the parent dir, comma, audio, and then I just need to write if underscore. The one thing I don't really like about NeoVim is that it's very hard to indent multiple lines of code. This could be me. I'm like 100% sure there's like a way you can, but like you can't just highlight all and press tab, because then it'll literally replace everything with tab, which is a little annoying. So usually if I need to indent like mass amounts of code, I'll just like go down to like VS Code, and I'll literally open my project in VS Code just to indent, which feels a little dumb, but it is what it is. So yeah, I feel like I undercommented this file, but I'll add comments later. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna go back to audio.py, and we're gonna say from main.py import parent. What did I name this variable? Parent dir path. So directory path. Oh, not main.py. Import main. And I think I should. Hey, Coder got him. What is going on here? Basically, what I'm doing is I'm making a program that recognizes artists' voices, right? So it'll train on data, and you will put like audio to it, and it'll be like, oh, that's Justin Bieber. Oh, that's Taylor Swift. Oh, that's Neel. Yeah, I heard about the Queen. That's really unfortunate. That was really sad. Like, you know, I really like the Queen, honestly. That was genuinely like one of the that put a cloud on my full day. I'm doing good too. How are you all doing? Yeah, I didn't even ask. I feel like I'm a bad streamer, but we'll get there some way. Somehow. Parent dir path is not access. Calm down, brother. I am using it. I feel like another problem with my setup of NeoVim is it gets like so pressed if I what is it? If I don't what's its name? If I don't, what is it? What's it's like if I don't indent something or this, like I'm getting to it, it gets so pressed. It writes like the most errors ever, even if it's not even an error. It just gets so mad. It gets so pressed. Right? No, you can't do that. You can't do that, guys. You guys can't. What is it? Import variables from files. I knew you couldn't do this. Like, if, what? Wait. Maybe my syntax is wrong. Import my phone. Import. You know what I'll do? What I'll probably do is I'll just make a getter method, right? So could never be VS Code. Okay, guys. Okay. But let me tell you, in VS Code, can you make literal key bindings for yourself? Can you do that? No, you can't. You can't. So like, there's that. And yeah. Anyways, Let's go back to this. So what I think I'm gonna do is, what was I about to do? Okay, external variable. I'm just gonna create a getter method because I don't have the patience to do all of this stuff. So I'm just gonna say, I don't feel like there's a point of doing this. Create a getter method for dir. So I'm just gonna say def get parent path, and then I'm just gonna return parent dir path. And what I'm gonna say, oh, but it's gonna reset every single time. I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to write this to a text file. You can? Wait, what? Well, then what am I doing in Vim? Alright, bro. Alright, bro. I know, it's a Java thing. I do getters and setters from Java. That's... My first language is actually Java. I quite like Java. Java is a fun, nice language, you know. I feel like you guys are not appreciating Java. But let's continue with this. Okay. So what I'm thinking is, instead of doing all of this nonsense, let's just write this. So write to a file and let's be chill with it, right? So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna just say file, do it right here. Okay, cool. Say file writer equals open. What are y'all saying in the thing? Yes, thank you. Java is great for organizing code, and this is my main complaint with Python. Python, it takes you a good minute to actually understand what's going on, right? With Java, you know exactly, because it's so systemic. You know, okay, this is the class, this is what's happening inside the class, this is another class, it inherits this, it's simple, right? With Python, you have like a class here, you have some random code here, you have some syntax that's you've never heard of in other language. And don't get me wrong, I love Python, but it's an issue. That's my biggest issue with Python, I'd say. Okay, anyways, what should we name this? Let's name it file path.txt. Should we do a txt file? I think we should just stick to a txt file for now. And then we'll say file writer write, and then we're gonna say parent dir path, and then we're gonna say file writer dot close. And then I'm gonna say no, I wanted to use an environment variable, but that would require me to set up an environment, and I just don't feel like doing that. So write to a file. That's why you should use Kotlin instead. It's literally shorter Java. But like, okay, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really checked out Kotlin, but like, doesn't it only do Android apps? Isn't that like all it's supposed to do? Or is it like, can it do other stuff? I know it can do basic other stuff, but like, okay, I'm on Kotlin's page right now, actually. Here, hold up. I'll take a break from the coding, and I'm actually gonna, hold up. Give me a second, sorry. I'm gonna just do this, and I'm gonna check out Kotlin. Okay. This is for you. So, where are we? It's literally shorter Java. It's able to do anything Java can. Okay, it's multi-platform mobile. Okay, okay, this is actually looking kind of nice. So, fun. Okay, that's kind of weird. Can we admit, like, fun? Fun. How are you gonna make... And val... Wait, so it doesn't have static typing. That's pretty weird, in my opinion. Let's check its object-oriented. Interface, that's cool. Class... Yeah, so it actually... This is so... So it doesn't have, static typing, does it? Oh, I made Minecraft plugins with Java, but, yeah, no, Minecraft plugins are really fun to make. I remember I once made, like, another dimension, and it was just, like, it was pretty stupid, but, yeah, Minecraft plugins are fun. But it doesn't have static typing for what I can tell, right? It's just saying val, right? So, does it run on something like JVM? Because that... Oh, hi, what's going on? Error, YouTube is not receiving enough video to... Oh, you guys are gonna experience buffering in a little bit. Hold up. Anyways, okay. Does it... Oh, write test with white... Okay, but that's my question, right? Does it actually, Does it actually, like, what's the word? I'm sorry. Does it actually... It's not... Okay, so it's not... It doesn't have static typing. It's quite, like, it's quite different from Java, really. It just works in the same thing. Does it run on JVM? Does Kotlin run on JVM? Or anything like JVM? Does it have its own JVM? Okay. Wait. That's kind of a game changer. So it does use JVM. It does use a JVM. That's quite cool. Okay, that's quite cool. So it's like a more basic syntax, but it works on JVM. Which one's faster? I bet Java's faster because it has, what is it, static typing and, like, things like that, and, like, functions and stuff. So, better functions, sorry. Which is faster, Java or Kotlin? How fast is Kotlin? Java does beat Kotlin. Okay, thank you. A win for Java. Kotlin is a JVM language, though. That's quite interesting. I think that's a good thing. But yeah, I don't think I can, like, it's nice, don't get me wrong, right? It's great. It seems quite cool, but, like, I think I'm gonna stick with Java. Okay, but let's get back to some coding. If you guys have any hot takes, leave them here. It does. Okay, wait. What do you mean it does? It does what? It does what? Like, are we talking about static typing? No, it doesn't. Wait. No, it doesn't have static typing. Since when does it have static typing? Let me show you. Okay, based on what I just saw, this is not... var is not static type... val, I mean, is not static typing. It's like JavaScript's var. It's not actual static typing because it can be any... What is it? Like, you know what? Let me try to... Wait, run. Okay, wait. Okay, I can edit this, right? Okay, this is quite cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do this, okay? I'm gonna write some code in Kotlin. This is nice, though. I like this editor. This is quite cool. Okay, so val name 3 val num equals 4. 1 second. And then how do you print in Kotlin? You can have... Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I will be back in a minute. So give me 1 second. Woo! Hold up. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that was loud. Okay, guys, I am back. Hello. Okay. Cool. Let's get back into it. Anyways, you were saying val means you can't change the value of that variable, and var is vice versa. Okay, so val is a constant. That's so, like... I'm sorry. Oh, God. Oh, where did my camera go? Oh, there did my camera go. Okay, here. I'm back. Okay. So basically, val means you can't... Okay, wait. I wanna check this out. I'm quite curious about Kotlin. So basically, var... But what if I want to say int? Will this work? No, it doesn't have static typing, because this doesn't work. This isn't working. And is it integer, or is it capital int? Am I doing this wrong? I don't think it supports static typing, but I'll do it. So num plus name. How do you print in Kotlin? Hold up. Print. Okay. Oh, println. I like println. Run. I don't think println is a thing. Unresolved inference. Int. Int is not, like, I don't think they support it. Scroll up. Oh, val name int. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Oh, okay, wait, but can I set it? Like, where do I set it? I feel like I'm gonna get roasted for my, Okay, guys. Okay, I haven't worked with TypeScript or anything. I'm literally, what is it? Just, you gotta do var variable type. Okay, but then and then I set the value later. So then now in this line I say num. Also, you don't need semicolons, which is interesting. So this'll work. What? Expecting a top level declaration. What am I doing wrong? After the type. Got it. But, like, does that mean I can't, what is it, like, reassign? Let's say I say 3. What? Oh, you need semicolons. Got it. You do need semicolons, which I like. I like semicolons. I quite like them. The one thing I will say is this does look a lot like this feels like what is it? This feels like Lua or JavaScript. It's very okay. You know what? I'm just gonna copy this over here. I'm gonna delete this part. Run. What? Why is this not working? You can't reassign because of val. Oh, okay. So if I change this to var, I can reassign. Okay, let's see this. The interlitter does not. This is an integer. What? What is bro on? What? Equals 4. Wait, am I like tripping? Am I doing something wrong? Hold up. I am so confused right now. Okay. We're gonna try this one more time. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna look at Kotlin variables online. Hopefully we get like a okay, yeah. W3 schools. I like W3 schools. Let's try this. So variable type. Where okay. So no, it is int. It's not integer. It is int. Wow. You guys lied to me. Oh wait, I think it can be either, probably. Oh, it was int. You guys are liars. You guys are some liars. That's true. Okay, expecting a top level declaration. What does that mean? Does it require me to import something? Kotlin. What? Bro, low-key, this is like the most confusing thing. Like, Java is so much more simple than this. Like, can we admit that? Like, in Java, it's easy. Java, it's just class, main, or whatever you want to call it. Public, static, void, main, string. Wait, will it process Java code? Now I'm kind of curious. String args. And then we're just gonna do system dot. I'm actually curious if this will process it. Oh, no, of course. Oh wait, that's on me. That's on me. I forgot a semicolon. That's on me. Let's see if it'll do this. Okay. I didn't read the code. Okay, you know what? Let's reload this. Wait, so what's the difference between... Okay, yeah, so they're doing this here. Okay, but, Yeah, I know. I was just checking. Because, like, they might have support for Java on their site. Who knows? Right? Because you didn't even read the... Yeah. But, like... Yeah, I don't think I'll be learning Kotlin soon, just being honest. Like, Kotlin actually seems like a good language. I'm pulling your legs a little bit. Right? It does seem quite nice. The problem is... Oh, it has web support. Okay, wait. This might change it. Like, I literally hate JavaScript and most... What is it? Kotlin.js. That's interesting. Okay, wait. Maybe so. Server side, I mean, then why would I not just use Java, right? But, yeah, that was a cool little dive into Kotlin. Not what I expected to, dive into today. Var. Okay, so this is, var. Wait, but, hashed. You sent me that in Discord, right? But you don't use semicolons. Forgot semicolons. Right? That isn't that a problem? Read a guide, you have too much. Okay. Okay. Alright, bro. Oh wait, never mind. You don't need semicolons. That's kinda cringe. That's kinda cringe. I like semicolons. Like, I don't know why Python doesn't have semicolons. I feel like semicolons just make sense, right? It's like, you're not done yet, so it's not a period. But, like, you're done with that, like, statement. So, like, it's a Actually, periods would be kind of cool if we had, like... Because, like, you're done with the, like, sentence, right? So what if we made it, like... What if we made another type of programming language? And we, like, made it a lot like the English dictionary. We had, like, periods. And then you have, like, commas for, like, when you want to, like, have 2 lines in one. Or no, that would be where the semicolon comes in, sorry. I don't know. That is just... What? So, okay, wait. I want to show you guys my idea. Maybe this could catch on, I'm telling you. You guys are doubting me now, but I feel like this is not even a bad idea. Okay, here, let me show you guys. So, basically, let me change this color. So, the plan for this language is to, like, int... x, get out of my way, and then you'd have a period, right? And then you would say print, and I would keep print just like that, because I feel like print is simple, print is normal. Or I could actually say like show, but like I feel like then I just seem like I'm trying to be different, right? Print x and then this. But an added functionality of this language is that you could have 2 lines into one. So it would be like int x, and then you'd have a semicolon, and then you do print x. Does that make any sense? You can add semicolons if you want. Yeah, you can add them if you... even in Python, you can add semicolons if you want, actually. You know, I made a video, a little short about that, like, when I first started, right? Oh god, my videos were so much worse when I first started. I mean, they're not amazing right now. I'm not acting like that, but like if you guys look back, I feel like there'll be some more appreciation because oh god, it was terrible before. You're using periods instead of semicolons. You're already very different. Yeah, but like, doesn't that make more sense? Because you're ending like the sentence, which is like the line, right? I feel like, and you know what I'd require in this programming language? After every script is done, you'd have to write the end. Like, you know how they do in like those like children's books? You'd have to do that, right? It'd be a requirement, or else the program would not run. I think that'd be pretty fun. Anyways, I should probably get back to my code, right? Let me go back. Okay, cool. We're back here. So we wrote it to a file. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say clear python main dot py. Oh, wait. Did I make it? I think I made it. The only... No. Py. I ain't even say nothing. Hold up. Calm down. What I'm gonna say is Hold up, bros. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read from a file. Start with once upon a time. I actually think that's a great... Wait, maybe you're onto something. We could make it like fairy script, okay? And it'd be like once upon a time, then you'd have all your code and you'd separate it with like periods and stuff. And then afterwards it would end with the end. And I feel like it'd just be like a meme language. But like imagine if people actually started using it and like it actually became like a thing. That'd be pretty cool, honestly. Okay, let me go back to... What am I doing? I have so many tabs open right now. Okay, I just need to read from the file now. So I'm going to just say... Where am I? Where did I go? Goes equals... And then I'm going to just say, what is my file called again? I think it's, file path.txt. And then we're going to say, how do you read it? Read. What am I doing? I feel like the stream is just showing, like, my incompetence today. Read the line. I'm stupid. Read line. It's been quite a while since I've had to, what is it? Do anything, related like this. Okay, okay. So, file.read and line, so we'll just say... Actually, can I just say file.read? Because I mean, I'm really reading the whole thing, because it doesn't really matter, does it? So anyways, I'm just gonna write parent path equals... pass parent path. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up python main.py. Wait, hold up. Let's clear it. Okay, but you guys gotta admit, doesn't my terminal look kind of sick? Like, I kind of like, I quite like my, setup right here. Anyways, yes. Oh, do I have to create it? Create file right. Should I keep the stream up once it's done, or should I just delete it? I feel like I should just delete the stream once it's done. Create and write to file. Okay, so X is gonna, what is it? So wait, open. I wrote open here though. That's the problem. Where am I? Equals open my file. Do I need to do it as X first? Oh, I think I made a mistake. Where am I? File right. Oh, I'm so stupid. Hold up. Cool. Let's go. Okay. And now if I say Python audio dot py. Let's go. Okay, that works. We spent way too long on that. Okay. Gotta go eat dinner. Okay. I feel like everyone's leaving now, so I'm gonna end the stream now, okay? Bye, guys. I will see you later.